Yeah. Okay, now write any word that starts with the letter A. Okay, what is this?
Aggressive.
What is the meaning of aggressive?
Jazbati.
Very good. Now write any sentence with this word. Don't be aggressive. यानी जज्बाती मत हो. Very good. P. Okay, write any word that starts with the letter P. Poke. Okay, what is the meaning of poke?
Utsana.
Okay, write any sentence. Don't poke me. मतलब मुझे उकसाओ मत. Very good. S. Okay. Write any word that starts with the letter S. Scold. What is the meaning of scold?
Dantna.
Dantna. Okay. Now make a sentence. Why did you scold me? तुमने मुझे डांटा क्यों?
C.
C. Okay. Make any word that starts with the letter C. Console. What is the meaning of console? Tasalli dena. Very good. Now make any sentence. Console her. उससे तसल्ली दो. D. Okay. Now make any word that starts with the letter D. Deceive. What is the meaning of deceive? Dhoka dena. Very good. Now make any sentence. She deceived me. उसने मुझे धोखा दिया.